welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I've been up to with my lap steel, pedal steel project. It has been a little while since I've had an update, and I'll be honest, I really want to kind of show off what this could do, but I'm not sure I'm the guy just yet. First thing I'm going to do is one of these pedals has come loose, so we're going to reset this up. This is a brake cable that we screw into here, and we've got an adjustment here, so I'm going to screw this right in. And then I'm going to show you how it kind of connects to the pedal steel and how it basically works. But yeah, my goal was to try and come up with a song, use some pedal steel on it, show off what it can do. But I've just been really struggling. So to tighten the cable up, I've put 2 washers on either side of this bolt, and when I tighten it up, it just grips it together. So this is a really cheap way that I can grip this cable. I'm tightening up here. I might have focused on the wrong bolt, but these are easy mistakes to make. But yeah, I've had quite a few people message me about this project, so I'm really sorry for taking a while to get back to you. But yeah, as I pull the pedal, you can see what it's actually doing. So the cable's pulling the finger towards us, and you can see that these adjustment screws are all set at different levels, and that allows us to control that travel exactly. So we can set it to be tuned to, say, a C. And when we press the pedal, it'll go to exactly the note we want it to. So here's a little clip of me tuning it. Now, once more, there's so many different options of how to tune this thing that it's quite difficult, really. I kind of got quite an appreciation for the instrument and all the kind of maths and thought you got to go into. There's so many different charts and sheets, especially if you want to go in your own tunings. So here, what I'm doing is adjusting that adjustment screw, so that when I press that pedal, it's going to go exactly 2 semitones up. So yeah, when I click that, that's a C. When I press the pedal, it becomes a D. It's surprising it isn't that bad to actually set up. But yeah, I did have a little playing over top of that loop that I made for the Wurlitzer plugin. It's not great, but it does show you that it works. I need to spend a bit of time with this. I need to come up with a good song that it's going to work on. So do bear with me. I will probably do another video on this, but for the time being, this is probably going to be the final one on showing how it's made and how it works. I do hope you've enjoyed it. I do hope you've subscribed, and there's going to be similar projects coming up soon. I don't want to drop any hints, but there's going to be something that I haven't finished, going to get finished soon. Yeah, I'll see you then.